Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a HanrayCare, and it is a blood glucose monitoring system. So we're going to check this thing out, and I'll show you guys what it is, and we'll see if we can figure out how it all works. So let's see, we've got the box, we have the user manual here, and it's written extremely small, but you get the idea. If you need it, you can probably pause and zoom in on there and there. Okay. Here we have a quick start guide, which is probably going to be a bit easier. And then we have the owner's manual and about the test strips. So let's see what we've got inside here. So this is a little pouch. This is everything that was in there. And so let's open this up and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So inside here we have the device itself. And it looks like it's going to take 2 AAA batteries, and it came with the batteries, so that's always nice. And we'll go in there and there. So here we go. So now it's lighting up. We have our, I think this is the little device that's going to poke you, and then here's the little needles. And so it comes with a bunch of those, so you got 2 whole sets of those, so you're all good for doing that. And then you've got your test strips here, blood glucose test strips. So we have, it looks like two bottles of those, so that's kind of nice to have. Put those just back in there right now. And we'll look at this little setup here and see how it will work. So the quick start guide is going to be much easier, I think, to use. So here you've got pictures. So there we go. So that's the first 7 steps, and then here's the rest of the steps right there. So like the first step will be to wash your hands and wash everything associated with it. And then you will open up this thing here, and this comes apart. Stick one of the little needles inside of it, which I will do here. So the needle goes in this way here. Let's see. So the button is facing me. This will face, I guess, this way here. We twist off the little nub. Then we screw this on. Oh, you can see there's a little needle in there now. And then we'll twist this on here. And then we can set our setting here. How do you set the setting? So you can see right now it says I think it's 9. So we'll want to change that to maybe 5. So to do that, we'll, not that. So we turn, how do we do that? We turn from here, 7, 6, I don't know if you can see, so 4, 5, so now it's at a 5, so that's the 5. And so the way it works is you kind of pull it back, and then when you push that button, it shoots up the needle and then pops it back in again. So that's kind of how it works, and then so we will do that. So now, oops, let's see, so we did 5. Okay, so that's what number. So we did that. We set it to 5, and now we're at here, which is to cock it. So that was the pulling it back here. So now we are all cocked up and ready to go. Number 8 is taking this device here and what are we putting in there? Oh, I think we're putting a test strip in there. So then we get the test strips out. So here's a test strip. This is what it looks like here. So now we'll stick the test strip in here. Oh, and now it lit up. Okay. And now number 9, it's flashing, so I think we're good on that standpoint. Number 10 is we poke ourselves. So I've never poked myself before, so here we go. where's the button? So let's see, I'll do it right there, and then, whoo, I felt it. And look at that, now I got blood, okay? And now I got the blood, and I guess I put it on the test strip here at the end of it, right there where it says, and now it's testing. Okay, so now mine says it's at 130, so that's what it was. I touched it to the end there, and then it was able to suck it in, and it says I'm at 130. That was pretty good. It didn't even hurt. That was pretty nice. So my blood glucose is 130, whatever that means. It says it is high, and it's got a little sad face. So I guess I need to get that checked. But how cool is that? It's a nice little device, so if you need to be checking your blood glucose, this is going to do it for you. So you saw in like 5 minutes, I got this thing from Unpacked. I've never used one before, and I was already able to get a result. So this is super easy to use. If you need one, pick up this one here. It's super easy. Great. Thumbs up.